going to start off with a pretty small drill bit, probably I'm not even sure what size that is. I'm going to try to go in as straight as I can, according to my line. See how that gums up on the bit? Okay, now that I've started, I got my hole started, drilled in with my drill bit. Then I'm going to switch over to, this is a hard tool to beat when it comes to knife making and doing stuff with the wood like this. Hang on a second. Pull that a little bit. That's it. Only one thing I have to use hard time is instead of this wood, solid bit of this something. Yeah, it came in. Will. Then I was going to go in and see how far I'm in. No, start in. No, I'll do that. I'll show you. Should be able to get in there. All right, this is what I have. I've made a command decision. Maybe the most important one I'll make today. All right, so here's where I'm at. All right, you see I have it. It looks pretty good as far as the way it's going to line up, the way it's going to sit. And I have this much sticking out. I have decided that what I want to do is make the most natural looking knife as I can today. And so I'm going to have this thing go all the way, this blade to go all the way down into this piece of wood, like so. And I have collected the shavings that I've been getting out when I've been making this hole from this piece of heart pine. And I'm going to take my epoxy and I'm going to mix all this up as part of the epoxy when I glue this thing in, when I finish it out. I won't need it for the glue, for the epoxy down in there, just on the finishing edges right there. And see if I can make that blend to where it looks pretty good, where the blade and the handle just kind of flow together, and see how that goes. Okay, well, in order to do that, I have bought these extra long drill bits so I can get in there as deep as I need to get my tangs inside my handle. So that's where we pick up at right now. And by the way, this is not going to be as quick, obviously, and y'all know that. Not going to be as quick as the taking the utility knife and just transforming it from a utility knife into a hunting knife. It's going to take a little more time to do that. So I'm gonna work at that, and I'll get back with you and show you how I'm gonna line up that hole to drill for the pin, and then we'll glue this thing together. So to save on time and to save you from watching me just get this hole like I wanted, I have successfully got the hole into the handle exactly where I want it, and I've actually have it where the blade is actually going to fit flush where the blade starts, is going to fit flush into the handle. Okay, next what I want to do is line up this. I'm going to use a piece of brass to pin that handle. It's got that small hole in it, so this can be kind of tricky. But what I do is I'll mark as flush as I can on the blade, and also mark it here and here. So I kind of have a way to line this up, get it close to my mark, and now what helps me, like I said, this is just me. Do whatever if you find a better way, God bless you and keep doing it. Let me know if you figure out a better way. I use the smallest drill bit that I have to do this starter hole. And you can see I'm using a tiny drill bit. Now I'm going to go in, and if I hit metal, then I'm going to drill for a minute, and I'm going to bring this out and see where I'm hitting at, and I can kind of know which direction to go in. Okay, so I'm too high, which is good. It's okay. So I'm through with that small bit. Now I'll go to a little larger bit. By using a small bit, when I go to a larger bit, it's probably going to take care of that hole, that first hole I made. So I won't have a second hole in my knife. Now I'm through. Okay, and then I just gradually keep moving up in diameters on my drill bits until I reach the desired diameter for my pin. This would, you got to be careful. Like if it's too small and you try to force that through there, you could actually split your handle. So you got to be real careful with that. So I'll probably go with this one. No wonder it's not going through. It's too large. It's not too smart. There we go. Now, here's where having the right machinery, if I need to, I can just take a little bit off this brass pin. And then oh yeah. So I'll test it out, line it up. Just pull on a little bit. See how it looks. Looking pretty good. You might be saying, okay, it looks like it's slanted down a little bit, and it kind of is, but I can take care of that when I start working the handle. I can even that out and straighten that up a little bit. Hopefully. That's my hope anyway. All right, next step.